Yeah. So Wode Maya in Chinese means Wode means Maya means mom. Okay. So just to thank my mom for convincing my dad, I carved the name Wode Maya. I don't know which profession pays more than YouTube. Mm-hmm. Wow. Don't try to be someone else. Don't try to be Wode Maya. Don't try to be somebody that you watch online. Never try to be someone. Yeah. Right? Be you.
Okay, so in Wode Maya, we have some people from Nnewi here. So media personalities. They have to have a one-on-one session with you. They will introduce themselves, so give you the floor.
Okay, Mr. Ghana Baby.
Hey, that's why I say Mr. Ghana Baby.
Good to have you again back in there. After the last time that you came.
Thank you.
Though I didn't meet you then, but I saw that you came. So my media name is Urbanized Media. I'm a YouTuber. I'm a media personality too. Okay. So let my friends also introduce themselves.
Like I said, I have met you before.
Yeah.
This is my second time meeting. My name is Jessica. Then my YouTube name is Jessica Oba.
Okay, my name is, I have my profile pages. One page is Princess Nnewi. Then the Princess Nnewi, I normally do animal kingdom, animal content.
Oh wow.
So I do, because immediately I start following you, I always comment and beg you, when are you coming to me?
I am here now.
So I'm glad to see, when I saw this, I opened my Facebook page yesterday, the first thing that popped out is him with you. I said no. No.
I'm not gonna miss this one.
I started calling you, but meanwhile that time you were just close to me. Very close to my house, but leave my house. No, enter the house. So, welcome in.
Thank you.
Alright, my name is Rosemary. My middle name is Seamstress Rosemary.
Seamstress?
Yes, I'm a seamstress.
Oh wow.
Yes, I usually do Facebook. I'm new to YouTube.
That's nice. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you think Rosemary looks like your wife? You should. You look at her very well.
Kinda.
Yeah. Also.
No, it's true.
No, my wife is slim.
Yeah, but like it's talking about like facial.
Yeah,
okay, I think to an extent.
I hope to meet her one day.
Okay, so here we have it. You know how.
So basically, here at Nnewi, YouTubers and content creators.
Okay.
And we have the big fish in the house. So we are here just to learn from you, to tutor us, to tell us the journey so far, because Wode Maya is a brand that is known to represent Africa, to show Africa to the world. All those things that the world don't know that are in Africa, to showcase. And you have done a great job doing this now. So we are following your footpath, doing the same at different levels. Just like me now, I am kind of representing Nnewi, Anambra, the Igbo race, pushing at that scale. So we just want to ask you, how it all started for you, how you all started all this.
Wow, that's a tough question, How it all started for me, I was based in China, and I wanted to do something beyond just going to school, and I had internet every single day. So I took advantage of the internet that I have, and I started making more like comedy videos, because that's the only thing that I knew that time that people make online was just comedy videos. I started making comedy videos and my friends were like, you're not funny, I can go to a class and the whole day everyone is just laughing just because of a video that you did, right? And I didn't stop because I made more like their negative remark became my source of motivation. I kept going, and from there, my father also saw that, this guy took him to school to study. Look at what he's doing. He's making funny videos. So my dad started talking to me. And then my mom came into the picture, convinced my dad. And 2 weeks later, my dad gave me his blessings. And that's how the name became Wode Maya.
What's the meaning?
So Wode Maya in Chinese means Wode means Maya means mom. Okay. So just to thank my mom for convincing my dad, I carved the name Wode Maya.
Wow.
So yeah, I mean, if you say Wode Maya, you literally call me my mom, but I'm not your mom, by the way. I'm not your mom. So that's the simple and short of my journey. Yeah.
I think I picked it up somewhere because I said yes, it was your mom that encouraged you.
Yeah.
But I can't remember how I got the story. It was the mom that encouraged you.
Yeah.
So this YouTube journey now, the newcomers, those that are just starting up YouTube, they always complain that it's very difficult to build a YouTube channel. And there was a video I watched. I think you said that it took you like 2 years or so to make 1,000 or 2,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers. 2 whole years.
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie to you that YouTube is easy. YouTube is the hardest of all the social media platforms. Like, for me, I've been on Facebook for last year, May. Is it May now?
Yeah.
Are we in May now?
Yeah, 1 year.
So this year will be 1 year on Facebook and I have like almost 1.6 million. Almost,
Wow.
right? But I've been on YouTube for like almost 12 years. And it's still like 1 something.
Almost the same.
Then even my Facebook has now overtaken my YouTube.
Yeah.
Why? Especially those of us living in Africa. How many people have a YouTube account? But almost everyone has a Facebook account. Now, TikTok is in the game right now. TikTok, for me, I think TikTok is also easy to build.
The easiest.
Easy to build. It's just that I'm not quite interested at this moment. But then, YouTube, one thing that you need to do, that I think it's going to be easy for you all, fall in love with a platform. And don't try to be someone else. Don't try to be Wode Maya. Don't try to be somebody that you watch online. Never try to be someone.
Yeah.
Right? Be you. I was quite interested in her saying that she's a seamstress. So I just don't know if the content is about sewing things or it's just something different.
I put everything together. Sometimes I showcase my work already done. Maybe when I'm sewing, I showcase. Or maybe when I do something else, I just showcase my lifestyle.
Exactly. So, you see, being a seamstress, there are so many seamstresses online. What makes it unique is what you need to work on. That is what is going to attract the people. Like, for me, I started saying that I'm an annoying village boy. It's not, I know I'm annoying. You don't need to tell me. You understand? When you watch my video, you realize that I'm shouting in the video. You're like, why is this guy shouting? It's not like I intentionally shout.
Okay.
But it's an inbuilt. Sometimes I don't even need the mic. My editors are like, please, can you just, I don't even know myself. But then that is me. And I brought my personality in my videos. Sometimes you don't want to bring your personality in your videos. You're trying to be someone else. No. I mean, you're in Nnewi. Let's talk about the Igbo culture. Right? I would say that, okay, trying to showcase Igbo culture to the world, you're kind of limited. If I say limited in terms of, all you need to do is like Igbo. And are you just showcasing the Igbo culture to Igbos or you're showcasing Igbo culture to the rest of the world? That is the difference. Yeah. Now, if I'm watching your video and you're speaking Igbo, I'm not going to watch it. Yes. Because I don't understand what you're saying. Exactly. So you've limited yourself to just only Igbo people. Yeah. No. But you can just speak English. If somebody is speaking Igbo, let them speak the Igbo, right? But translate it. So that I will be in the US, I don't understand. I went to an Igbo wedding. That's why I'm in Nigeria.
Yeah. So
the video that we have to release now, we have to showcase the Igbo culture. Now, when you showcasing Igbo culture, somebody from the Ashantis that came to the wedding were like, oh my goodness, that's our culture. They will find similarities on the Igbo end. And that is what I think if you want to do, these are the kind of videos. I will come to Nnewi and I will do a video and you will never see Nnewi in my title. If you're watching the video, that's when you're going to find out that Wode Maya is in Nnewi.
Yes.
So YouTube is like a competition. It's like billions of videos are being uploaded every 1 minute. Mm-hmm. So you need to stand out. I mean, when you're uploading a video, let people know that you are in Nigeria. It's a big name.
Yes.
Nigeria is a big name. Lagos or Abuja, I will never even do a video that writes Lagos. When you watch the video, that's when you're going to find out Wode Maya is in Lagos. So these are the tricks that you need to learn. Always expose your content even if you're in your small corner, expose it to the rest of the world. Because the rest of the world, everybody has their own, they can create a YouTube channel and all of that. I mean, if you go to Ghana, when I came to Ghana, there was no channel that is 1 million. I am the first Ghanaian to hit 1 million.
Wow.
What did I do different? I just expanded. I did not think about only Ghana. I had audience from Nigeria. I mean, you subscribe to my channel. I have Namibia. All those people came together. So this is a trick that I'm sharing with you. You can start doing farming videos from here in your small corner, your backyard garden, but let that content be content where if I'm staying in Namibia, I will understand what you're talking about. Wow. And you see the growth of the page.
Wow. Another question that people always ask is, people that want to start YouTube, they have interest, but they're asking, does YouTube actually pay? And again, can they make YouTube to be their only source of income and to sustain them? So what do you have to say to that people?
Can I be honest with you? I don't know which profession pays more than YouTube.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
I don't know. Maybe we can start mentioning. If there's any profession, I don't know. Mm-hmm. Is there any profession that you know, like, let's talk about Mark-Angel. I mean, Mark-Angel doesn't talk about certain things, yeah? But he has like so many YouTube pages. Not even just the Mark-Angel one. That's Mark-Angel this, Mark-Angel that, Mark-Angel this and this and that.
Even Manuela now has her own channel.
So it's so worth it when you get it right. I'm not gonna tell you that quit your job and become, but when you start doing it and it picks up, if you enjoy that first YouTube salary, no one will tell you that wake up and go and create another video. It's so worth it. And if it picks up, I think I have a lot of people that work for me. I don't do everything. We're more like a team. You understand? So
you also employ people.
If it's not worth it, why would I employ people? I would just be doing everything by myself. Yes. So I'm just gonna sit here and tell you that 2 platforms that you really need to take it serious is YouTube and Facebook. I had TikTok. I used to be one of the guys on TikTok before, way back. I was based in China. TikTok is a Chinese platform. They used to pay us just being online. But then when it came to Africa, I realized that they were not paying. But now I think they've started paying. I've never tried it because, social media is so hard being everywhere. So maybe I will add TikTok to it now that it pays. But Facebook and YouTube, don't joke with it.
But then Facebook actually pays far less compared to YouTube. Because I know my friend. Okay, an instance.
No, okay. I am there, so let me give you it's easy for Facebook video to get views.
Yes, exactly.
Yes, exactly. It's easy. So when you are lucky for a Facebook video to get views, you're going I was there in the video that I did. I saw 13 million, and I didn't do anything. I was just pulling my phone, and I saw 13 million. I think I went to a place that ants were there, and I'm like, oh, this is the fastest way to die in Africa. Blah blah blah. It was just 17 seconds, Imagine. Yeah, and then I woke up and I'm like, if you talk to a YouTube video, let's say a YouTube video had that number of views, that's more money, right? Yes, exactly. But then YouTube will never make a video like that go viral.
Yes.
You understand? So I have to say it's easy to create a Facebook video, hard to create a YouTube video. But then if you talk about monetization, if I my channel, where my channel sits right now, the more I put video, the more money that I'm gonna make, right? Yes. But what I really enjoy about Facebook is I don't have to suffer like the way I suffer.
Exactly.
So when you talk about more money, there's been months that my Facebook makes extremely more money than That's all. If somebody, Facebook makes money, YouTube makes money, but it depends. Like, you don't struggle. Facebook, you don't struggle.
Yes.
Do you understand what I mean?
Yes.
And, okay, so let's say I have to upload like 5 videos on, what's it called? On YouTube. The money that the 5 videos will make on YouTube more than 5 videos on Facebook, right?
Yes.
But then, when I upload more videos on Facebook and I get lucky to have like one viral video that you didn't struggle to shoot. That's the difference.
Yes.
Understand?
Exactly.
That's the difference. But I know somebody who has made like $1 million on a video, and he's Nigerian. I don't want to mention his name
On
here.
Facebook?
On Facebook.
Wow.
That's what I'm telling you. Like it's just an algorithm. Like you can just drop it. You don't have to struggle to shoot it. You can just smile and just say it's all over the place. So I mean, when you get the luck, why not?
But does Facebook also pay according to how lengthy the video is, just like YouTube?
No. And one other thing that I can say is that based on being on Facebook for a year, on Facebook you can't determine a CPM of a video. YouTube, I know, I can say, but Facebook, they determine, this video, they're going to give you this and that. And
Okay.
This guy is asking so many questions.
Okay, let me just allow them to. No, I'm not the only one.
I asked you that you've already asked him.
Okay.
You know, I used to ask you some questions when I get confused.
Okay.
Yeah, there are some questions I used to ask you that you've already asked him. Something like, why is it difficult to build a YouTube page?
Okay.
Yeah, YouTube channel is very difficult to build. I had the YouTube channel last 2 years. You encouraged me to open one, but then I had to abandon.
No, I don't think you need to abandon it.
Yeah, I picked it up again.
You need to, you just need to, see, when I started YouTube, I started as comedy. I started doing videos about Africans living in China. I switched to coming to Africa, traveling and showcasing the beauty of Africa. I switched to interviewing entrepreneurs, and that changed my life. Like meeting people who have made it.
Yeah.
And now, like, I can easily walk in Nnewi and I get a chance to meet innocent.
Yeah.
Like 4 or maybe 3 years ago, I cannot get closer. But now, like, because of the entrepreneurship series, I go to a country and the president will call you to come to their house. That's what I'm telling you. So you just have to keep doing it. I'm a living testimony. It took me 2 years to get 1,000 people to follow me. But when you break that 1,000, get that 10,000, trust me, up to 100 is the easiest. So, yeah.
So,
I don't have any questions.
let me ask this question. Now, what's the simple gadget to start out as a YouTuber?
The phone. Until today, you can still use the phone. I started my videos with Samsung S2. I don't know if it exists now, but started with Samsung. And you don't need, let me tell you one thing. You don't need all these gadgets that you're seeing here. The most important thing about YouTube is your personality and the kind of content that you're trying to push out there. You just put yourself in the video. That's why I'm telling you, don't try to be anyone else. You put your personality, and then one thing that most YouTubers don't do is that the content is around them, but they don't see it. The content is around you. COVID, I didn't know what to do. Whatever you see now, thanks to COVID. COVID showed me a lesson that the content is around you. So before COVID, I was traveling, even though I was so broke, but I was still traveling. And then 7 months, I couldn't travel. So I was in the house. You know what I did? Looking for content, knowing that everyone is in the house. I brought life when I was growing up. like growing up in the village. So because I was stuck in the village, so I wanted to showcase how we used to brush our teeth with those kind of things, how we
that kind of village lifestyle.
And that's a content I've never done before. And I woke up, the video was everywhere. So, like I said, just your surroundings. You can put your personality in it, and you're good to go.
Okay, this Facebook, does it actually need this niche of a thing? You must be a particular thing that you must post. TikTok wants a niche where whether you are only brushing teeth every day, different kind of brushing teeth every day. But does Facebook has to go like that?
I think on every platform, people need to know you for what you do, know you for a particular niche, and then when they get to know you, that's when you can diversify. You know, people know Wode Maya to travel, but as I'm traveling, I eat anything that I see.
Yeah.
Right?
Like I want to offer you a day.
I eat everything that I see. I talk to entrepreneurs. I showcase houses. So it's like, it's still Wode Maya, but
different.
So people need to know you for something, and then you can diversify as time goes on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
can you upload different kind of contents to the same channel?
No. Especially, you said different type of content. You cannot be doing makeup and tomorrow you post about football. You understand? But if it's you, okay, let me just give you an example. Let me show you. You know, like content like a day in the life of
Crystal.
I don't know you, so I will never watch that video.
Yes.
But if you build something, I know you that this guy does this.
Yes.
Now I'm interested in your life now. And now if you tell, a day in the life of Chris and you are sleeping, I'll watch you sleeping. Because now I'm a big fan of you. But now you cannot just wake up today and you start a day in the, who are you? So you gotta create content that has value. See, let me just come in again. We have two types of content. We have the evergreen content, and then we have the fast food content. What's fast food? You eat fast food today, like the food is there, you finish eating, and then it's gone, right? So let's say, in terms of YouTube, what's fast food? Celebrities. I mean, 2 days ago, Wizkid and Davido were fighting. That's the fast food content. It will last for like 2-3 days and it's over.
Everybody forgets it.
But evergreen is you showing me your Igbo culture, or maybe Igbo wedding, and now even 10 years later, I'll still go back and watch you, watch the wedding, and then don't forget that 10 years you're still making money when people are watching that video.
Yes.
So you can easily just like sleep while you're sleeping. Those content will be making you money. So I always encourage more people to do evergreen.
So how do you redefine yourself as a content creator?
Wow, that's a deep one. How do you what?
Redefine yourself.
Redefine. Okay. How do I redefine myself? So when you're starting from the beginning, you get so confused in terms of what exactly you want to do. Like I've given you different things that I did, right?
Just like me.
So you keep doing it. And one content that you don't, YouTube is crazy, man. Content that you don't even expect. Content that you never planned. That's the content that changes your life. But now, if that content goes viral, know that now that is your niche.
Yes. Yeah.
That's a mistake that a lot of content creators, like maybe you did makeup. Today you went to the market. The makeup video that you've been doing never went viral. You went to the market today and then it went viral. You know what you're supposed to do? You have to keep going to the market.
More videos when you go to the market.
So now you're redefining the kind of content that you do. Now you take them to the market. Now you show them how much does this cost in the market. Because initially when you're going, you didn't know that video was going to go viral. Yeah. So you didn't really tell people about. It's just like me, my first video that I did that went viral. I did during COVID. I did a video about like interviewing somebody, and I was so scared. When I uploaded the video, we shut down the laptop because that's not what I do. But it was COVID. So I was like, let me try something different. I woke up the next morning, the video was everywhere. Now I had to now go and look for people, even though I didn't know anyone. I'm like, hey, do you know anyone who has a business? Do you know anyone who has a business? Now I built a whole different channel. It's the same channel, but a whole different new audience out of that. And that's how my channel hits 1 million in a short time. So, like I said, there's no formula. Like 1 + 1 is equals to 2 on YouTube. Just keep trying. If what you're doing now is not working, try something else. If one of them works, which means that's what you need to focus on. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Okay, can you talk from here? That's, what are the challenges you're going to face as a content creator? Or you're going to keep moving regardless from your experience?
When you upload a video and no one watches.
What time you said that? Don't watch your video.
I nearly shed tears of saying that, man.
You upload that you see.
I upload a video and I see 1 view. Then I go back and I refresh and it goes 2. In my head I thought somebody was watching, not even me refreshing. And I was so happy. I used to dance when I get 5 views, I remember that the first time I had 500 views, the entire class got to know that Wode Maya had 500 views. And that's like my total views on the video. So 500 views, I went to the class, I was like, hey, finally I made it, 500 views. And there's a Nigerian friend that I had, said, the day you have 500 views, I'm going to give you money. Because the videos that you have like 10 views and 10 views, you watch 9 out of the 10. So that can be very, very discouraging. But one thing I will tell you, never give up. Just try different things and keep going. And another challenge is think about the sound of your videos, not the image quality. The sound is very, very important. So, you can get yourself a small microphone because if sound is good, I'll watch it. Not the quality of the video. Yeah. Okay.
So the guy that promised you money, you get 500 views. Did he give you the money?
Malik, he didn't give me. He got married and I didn't show up. He got married in Nigeria. He invited me. I said, I'm not coming. He didn't give me that money.
So if I want to do me, I do you.
Yeah, Malik. Shout out to Malik, man.
But today he has not given you the money.
He hasn't given me. Now he thinks I have more money. So he's like, but also, one of the things that I will encourage you is don't be discouraged about people's remark about your videos. Take it as if it's a positive criticism. Take advantage of it. Make money out of somebody's comments. Somebody say, oh, this video is not good. Do a video about it and make money out of it. It's just one of those things. It happens.
So can you upload movies and documentaries on the same channel? Movies and documentaries on the same channel.
Movies
short movies.
Yeah, if it's you,
No, not me, but like film.
People's film.
No, my movies.
Are you the one who did it?
Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying. The channel needs to be known for something.
Okay.
Something. If it's, you just want to do movies and documentaries, that's okay. We have channels that I can also say, since this is a broad topic that we discuss, and if you want to create a faceless, what they call faceless channel.
Okay.
Where nobody knows who owns the channel.
But your voice.
Just voiceover.
Just voiceovers, different videos, pictures.
Okay.
And then, that's also one of the best. And you can tell stories and no one knows who's behind it.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Thank you so much.
What would you expect more from me?
I'm on holidays, I came to see my adopted father. He adopted me, so I was here and I'm like, I cannot just come to Enugu without passing through. But then I came and he said, wait, I was supposed to leave today. He's like, I'm traveling, so wait for me, so I have to leave tomorrow. But just just here, just to see.
Okay.
Just to rest.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for showing up.
One need the number.
One need the number. Yeah. One need the number.
I had to chew cola nuts that day. The bitter cola it was so yeah. They said I should swallow. I couldn't swallow. It was so bitter. Eat and swallow. No, that was my
So are you
first
going to
time.
eat our Ede?
Native food.
Native food.
Where is that?
Sorry.
There's no restaurant close to your hotel.
Okay.
The media personalities from Nnewi with Wode Maya. Please, I'm not going to your model with Wode Maya. And we are signing out from Anambra TV.
Okay.
See you.